Presenting the 2010 Dodge Charger SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear reading lamps, engine immobilizer, power windows, emergency trunk release, floor mat, passenger airbag sensor, and traction control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.